Hello, my name is Alec. Welcome to Use the Science. Today we are going to test the magical cleaning properties of Coca Cola. Let's see what we find out. I read somewhere that Coca Cola is amazingly useful at cleaning burned pots and pans, taking rust from metals and cleaning toilets. I decided to use it for something more useful and help my parents. I went and asked my mum and dad whether they had any black and burned saucepans or pots, or as well, and whether they had any rusty objects around the house. I have this big wok, which, as you can see, is a bit black. This frying pan, which my mum asked me to have a look at, and my mum's anvil block, which she uses to make jewellery. I also have a few coins from my piggy bank to see if I clean them, as well as my brother's bike, which we'll show you a bit later. My resources to help clean them, if I need them, are some kitchen roll and some aluminium foil. Let's see what we managed to do. I will now pour some Coca Cola into the big wok. And now I'll also pour some into the frying pan. And the anvil block and my coins. I will not be rubbing on this stage yet. Good night. Here's my brother's bike. He left it outside, so it's a bit rusty. I'm going to see if I can sort it out for him. There's some rust here, 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 and here. I've also got a bit of rust on the chain, and I'm going to try and sort it out. I put the bike on its side so that it's easier to work with, and I'll use the aluminium foil once I've done a bit of kitchen foil and roll to scrub the rust off. I tried, on the bolt, I tried to use aluminium foil only at the start, but it didn't work, so the Coca-Cola is definitely helping on the bolts. The bell is a lot less rusty. There's only the centre rusty, and the pedal is a lot better, but obviously there's paint missing and I can't replace that. So the bit that holds the bike seat up is definitely looking a lot better. In general, the bike's looking a lot better than it was when we started. We've done the bike, and my little brother seems rather happy about the results. The pots and pans are looking better, so we'll leave them to have a bit of working time while we have a look at the science behind them. What makes Coca Cola a potentially useful cleaning solution? Number one, it's an acid with the pH of 3.4. pH is the way that scientists measure how acidic or alkaline a solution is. Neutral pH is 7, with anything lower than 7 pH acid and anything above alkaline. Coca Cola also has some citric acid in it, the same as lemon has. But is there anything else in Coca Cola that helps it to clean? Coca Cola also has another acid in it, carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is made out of carbon dioxide, which in a Coca Cola bottle we see as bubbles. I've found that carbonic acid is also good at scrubbing away limescale and other minerals. Coca Cola also has a third acid in it, phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid is often found in industrial tarnish and rust removers. Rust appears when iron combines with oxygen from the air and forms iron oxide, which we know as rust. Iron oxide is hard and orange and therefore difficult to remove. So it looks like all the cleaning in Coca-Cola is done by three acids: citric, carbonic and phosphoric. Now that an hour's passed, I'll rinse the pots and pans and everything, and then we'll have a look at the results. So to conclude, for me, it didn't work very well on the pots and pans. The coins have definitely lightened up quite a lot. The anvil block has definitely been very useful, and the bike's very different now. So why don't you try it at your own house? It's fun and it's useful, so parents might like to join in. If you can, please tell me which metals work best for you and have a lot of fun.